Hello, listeners. Welcome to another episode of your favorite program, My Health, My Pride. I still remain your friend and health educator, Oredola Kachna. On our program this week, we are going to be talking about a ravaging world killer disease known as hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B is a viral infection that attacks the liver and can cause both acute and chronic diseases. It's a major global health problem. It puts people at risk of death from liver cancer. From the world statistics, over 257 million people of the world's population are living with chronic hepatitis B infection. Nigeria, with an estimated population of 190 million people, has a hepatitis B prevalence of 8.1%, which is almost 16 million people based on a recent Nigeria HIV/AIDS Indicator and Impact Survey report. Hepatitis B is mostly spread through blood transfusions, sexual contact with an infected person, tattooing, sharing needles during drug use, sharing razors, toothbrushes, nail clippers, or direct contact with infected blood and persons. Most people do not experience any symptoms when newly infected. However, some people have acute illness with symptoms that last several weeks, including yellowing of the skin and eyes, commonly known as jaundice, dark urine, extreme fatigue, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Hepatitis B virus can also cause what we know as cirrhosis, which is the scarring of the liver. You and I, all of us, if we don't know our status, are at risk of hepatitis B virus. The good news is, my people, hepatitis B virus is preventable, is treatable, and manageable. The World Health Organization has issued out a call to everyone to help combat this killer disease, to do our part to having a cross-river hepatitis-free state. Cross River State Government, in partnership with Dodoma Health Care Services, is providing a Pegasus-based hepatitis B virus treatment for all citizens of Cross River State. Let's say no to this killer disease in our state, my people, and a yes to a more economically stable state. Know your status today. Walk into any healthcare center nearest to your place of abode and get screened to know your status. Get vaccinated. Get treated. The hepatitis B vaccine is the mainstay of hepatitis B prevention. Hepatitis B virus transmission can also be prevented through quality assured screening of all donated blood and blood components. It can also be prevented through safe injection practices and safer sex practices. Alan Wang, a newscaster from the US, shared his success story of how he survived hepatitis B virus after many of Alan Wang's immediate family members had passed away due to liver cancer. Until Alan himself became ill, he never knew that the death in his family was associated to hepatitis B virus. Today, Alan shares his success story and invites all of us to do same by getting to know our status. That is the beginning point, my friends. You and I can also experience such happiness and joy like Alan Wang. Enough death has been caused by hepatitis B virus in the world, in Nigeria, in our state Cross River. We want no more. Love your liver, friends. Say no to hepatitis B virus today and live. This program is sponsored by Dadoma Healthcare Services, a public health organization based here in Nigeria, Calabar to be precise. For more information, kindly contact us on our mobile number +234 80 350 28580 or email us at enquiries.dadomahealthcare.org.ng. You can also visit our website on www.dadomahealthcareservices.org.ng for more health topics. Thank you. Until next week, my friends, stay safe, stay protected. I remain your one and only friend and health educator, Oredola Pokachna. Bye.